In today's fast-paced world, businesses face hurdles like disconnected systems and manual processes. These challenges not only slow growth, but also inflate costs and diminish customer satisfaction. How can companies overcome these obstacles? Enter SNS System, a global IT consulting firm. We specialize in addressing these challenges head-on, providing solutions that streamline operations and enhance security. Let's explore how we can transform your business landscape. At SNS System, our mission is clear: deliver smart, scalable, and secure solutions. We empower organizations to grow faster, operate smarter, and outpace the competition. Discover how we can propel your business forward. Explore our diverse services from custom software development for the web and mobile app development. We offer CRM and ERP solutions to streamline workflows and enhance customer relationships. Our cloud solutions ensure secure migration and management. With AI and machine learning, we enable smarter decision-making. Our UI/UX design and digital marketing services boost your digital presence. Our IT support and maintenance guarantee smooth system operations. Whatever your needs, SNS System provides comprehensive solutions tailored to your business. We cater to diverse industries like healthcare, finance, and e-commerce. Our solutions are customized to tackle the unique challenges of each sector, ensuring optimal results and satisfaction. Our 5-step process begins with discovery, understanding your goals and challenges. Next, design and development ensures secure, scalable solutions with your feedback at every stage. Testing and quality assurance guarantees performance and security. Deployment is seamless, with minimal downtime. Post-launch, our maintenance and support keeps your systems optimized and updated. Clients choose SNS System for our expertise, tailored solutions, and reliable support. Our industry knowledge and innovative ideas ensure success. Here are healthcare provider story, showcasing improved efficiency and cost savings. SNS System delivers not just technology, but results. Whether it's a mobile app or a digital transformation strategy, we're here to help. Visit snssystem.com to start building your future today. By partnering with SNS System, you'll achieve growth and efficiency. Let's build a future where technology empowers your business. Take the first step with us and transform your vision into reality.